Alrighty, this is going to be part 4 of all the fans restored and or preserved in the house. So this is a 1938 Seabreeze 3460 AB pedestal model. It's the one with the mega clover base. So go ahead and start it up on high. Kind of hard to use the foot switch. Put it on low. Turn it off. All right, and this is a 1930s General Electric quiet blade 10-inch pedestal. Set it to oscillate. The switch is all the way down here at the bottom, so hold on. Has a tendency to blow paperwork around. Alright, here's a first version, 1916, 8-inch pizza slice swing, Emerson Northwood 44A. Starts up on low. Go to high. Alrighty. For the next part, I'm going to have to get up on a step ladder. So 1940s GE Vortelex 9-inch, which is actually 8.5-inch blade. This is a loop oscillator. Very smooth, very quiet. And this was a precursor to the silent blade, which was the aluminum, and this is in the 4.2 series, but this is a 10-inch aluminum blade, and it's got the flipper light switch. It's also a loop oscillator. And all these loop oscillators work. I had them turned off because I don't want them to bump into each other. Next up is a early 20s GE Whiz oscillator. It's a loop oscillator. It's got the flip switch as well. Brass blades. All right. This is a 1916 or 17 GE AO-V1. This originally had steel blades, so I had to locate brass for it. So it's a 2-speed with the Hershey Kiss base. Start on high. We go to low. Also loop oscillator. Alrighty. And this is a 1920 iron base custom antique white stationary whiz that I did. Alright. It's a line switch, of course. This one has my rewound stator in it. Switch matches the paint fairly well. Alrighty. So we go over here to the last fan that's in the display bedroom. This is a 1930s Arctic Air 8-inch oscillating fan, but it's a loop oscillator, so that's a very interesting feature. That's what drew me to it. This one's got the knob where you can turn off the oscillator. Alrighty, that concludes part 4 of the antique fans and preserved fans in the house. So we're going to be leaving the bedroom here in a minute to do part 5.